Today we prepared smoked oysters with tomato horseradish dots and chipotle cream dots, garnished with brunoise red onion and brunoise red pepper. The reason we prepared smoked oysters is it's a special dish to prepare for your loved ones on Valentine's Day. Wrap the oysters in a foil pouch. This helps prevent the breakage or puncturing of the plastic pouch. Once they're wrapped in the foil pouch, place them in the plastic pouch and seal it in the chamber sealer. The reason we sous vide the oysters is because sous vide is a precise cooking method that retains flavor in the oyster, keeps them plump and meaty, and extends shelf life. The reason we use the smoking gun and the smoking cloche is to cold smoke the oysters with applewood chips to enhance the flavor without cooking the meat any further. The use of the anti-griddle elevates the dish in a modern take of sorbet or other cold sauces. To plate the oysters, place them on crushed ice to keep them chilled. My take was deconstructing the classic accoutrement that goes with oysters. That's why I chose the tomato horseradish sauce paired with the smokiness of the chipotle cream sauce and the zestiness of the lemons. Dry ice can be used to mimic the smoking phase and elevate the dish even further. Happy Valentine's Day and bon appetit.